Hi guys, so I've got these Nearad cutters. Now, I've had every kind of cutter that you can ever think of. I must say, I've been trialling these now for about 10 months. Not had a skip beat. They're fantastic, they're really good. They're thin, so you can get them nearer to the wall. And the blades, no chips, no nothing. Springs have been perfect, so everything's been really good, so that's them. So now I've obviously had to cut these pipes, but in the corner, these two are full of water. So what I do is get my manometer tube, or a manometer tube, pop it in the top of there, shove it down to the bottom, and then just blow the water out so that you can then actually solder onto them pipes. And you know what? That is why I love plumbing. Right, so we're going to put this here. Obviously this is uneven stonework, so I'm going to use this, which is called the grinder head. As you can see, it's got teeth on it, so I'll show you that in a minute. But basically we're going to drill a hole through the centre, use that as the pilot, cobble that off, and then fit that so it looks really nice and neat with the outside tap. I'll show you in a minute. Drill that out, take that one out, put that on, put that into the centre hole. So as you can see, that's nice and flat now. It'll be able to take this. So you can also use it for, I don't know, probably lights and stuff like that on stone walls. So. There you go. As you can see, it looks nice and flat. We'll fix that. So as you can see, with the grinder head, you can make a really nice job and make your taps look really flat on the wall. So, cracking idea. And that's why I love plumbing!